everybody, welcome to The Well-Educated Artist. I'm Miranda, and as you can see, there's already been a huge mess, but we're gonna make it all pretty. We've got a cute little round here, canvas, and it is about 7.5, actually it's not quite 8 inches. And we have lots of pretty paints today. We have primary elements from ColourArte. We have Plumeria and Snapdragon, a couple of custom colors, one which has Liquitex Fluorescent Pink, and one of my favorite things, which is Dragonfly Glaze, is added to it. I often use that with my scans, so it's adding a little bit of shimmer. We have Arteza's Prussian blue here, mixed with a little bit of violet, and Interference Gold from Pearl X. Now this is just a straight out Pearl X color. It's Reflex Violet. And then we have a couple of colors that are actually coming from Meyspring. I just ordered a couple of colors to see how they would work in this mix. And this is Peach Gold, and this one is Pure Copper. And this one over here is just a mainstay. It is Peacock Pearl from DecoArt. So those are our colors. Those are all mixed with Behr 8300 and Jo Sonja Gloss Varnish. And if you will just click on the title below, you will get the information and the recipes and the materials used today. We need a base, and our base today is Diamond Bright White, and it is semi-gloss, and I've just put it in this container, which I've already gotten dirty. And it just makes it easier for me to handle. There's nothing added to this, but to keep this from cracking or crazing, it's probably recommended that you use something like GAC 800 to keep that from happening. You can thin it out with a little bit of Floetrol. This one is not thinned out. Okay, our cell activators today, I believe, I'm probably going to be using the white. Now this does have a stray on Floetrol in it, just because it is fast and easy. It's fast, it's expensive. There are other people who make different kinds of cell activators, and you can definitely make one with Floetrol and glue, American Floetrol and glue. This one though is Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam titanium white. The Left Brain artist had a really cool video where he talked about why Amsterdam and showed why Amsterdam is the paint to use for this. And the white I do think works really well. I've not had as much luck with the black. I can actually use another brand for that and it come out a little bit better with Australian Floetrol, but maybe I'll do a video on that. And I'm also probably going to use gold. This is Pebeo's Rich Iridescent Gold, and it is also mixed with Floetrol. So mostly Floetrol and a little bit of paint. I think it's 2 to 1 or so. It could be up to 3 to 1, just depending on how much you like. Okay, so let's get started and get down our base. I'm gonna need to make more base. I'm getting kind of low. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get it down in the middle. A lot of people use satin. I tend to use semi-gloss. And see, I am just about out. Love that sound. Okay, I'm gonna go give that a spin. I see one bubble in the very middle. This spinner definitely works better than my old one. I'm just gonna kind of get a couple of the bubbles out of there that I see, and I see a couple that are starting to rise up where I probably ran out of paint and made all those noises. Okay. Going to get a little bit out of the middle. This canvas is a little saggy. Having some saggy problems with the canvas. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my colors down here. Okay, now that my colors are down, I'm going to add my cell activator on the back of this. I'm going to do my white. And I'm also going to add some of my gold. The gold goes really nice with the copper. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit of my gold cell activator on here. And then I'm also going to put my interference colors. I have interference gold, and I also have, it's actually from Arteza, but it acts like an interference pink. So I'm going to add that onto the back. And then liking this one. That's the good news. I'm going to give it one more spin, and you can't really see this, and I'll bring it in the close-up, but we're really getting some really nice interference colors, and I am not feeling the need to modify it. I'm really liking what's happening. I'm just hoping that it's going to hold and there's not too much color in the center or too much paint in the center. Okay, I'm going to bring you down to see this. I think it's great just the way it is, so I'm going to leave it as is. So let me show you what we have. It dried absolutely beautifully, exactly like it was when I finished it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And please leave a comment below and help the channel out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye now.